We're going to start the dart with the eye at the top here. And we put this with a little number 9 gouge going round like that. Now we position it just above the eye line, not actually in the middle of the cross, but just above it. So you find that's an easy place to get right each time, using that line across here. So we press in, we lift the edge, move it round, lift the edge, move it round like this, and we'll pop out this little plug. And then you'll go all the way along doing that with each one, and then you can come with a little punch like that and just tap it down. If you do that to all of them, then it comes out looking equal. Okay, so there's the eye. Now we're going to do the dart. What we do is we take this fishtail gouge and we make by eye a stab cut like this. Not undercut, not in this direction, but straight down 90 degrees to the circle, to the surface here. Then we'll take this gouge that we used at the bottom here, and we'll, again coming in vertical to the face, stab that in and round here to meet at the bottom of the fillet, the bottom of the quirk at the bottom here. And we'll match that on the other side. And again, you would do that, making the same cut each time all the way along. Dunk, dunk, dunk. So now we can take a little bit of an angle cut here. This is the next cut. So we come down here, we've done an angle cut. We come down here, and we do an angle cut on this side. Take out a chip. Now I would try and come, when we get your eye in, come right to the center here, and each time. So there's see the edge of these crescents coming out now. And going back to the fishtail, you can make a series of cuts to define the pointy edge of the dart. So with this one, you line it up so the bottom corner is on the bottom of the line here, this vertical line, and line it up so that it touches the edge of the crescent and comes straight down. And if you do that to each cut all the way along, you'll make that an even cut equally each time. And on the same side here, straight down like that. And then we make a cut this way and a cut this way on the crescent, and you should be able to take out this little chip here. And usually you can do it with the same tool, but you might swap to a flat chisel like this. Make sure that you clean this surface up, you don't undercut, and you come right in. And here's this one here. So you might just like to just check that up. And of course, once you've done this a few times, you'll have your eye in, like this. Now you can then model this dart by taking a cut out here, down up to the center line. So that's now here. And then on the other side, model that across there. And there is your dart. I just want to emphasize a couple of points. Number one, there is no undercutting. These are square walls. If you undercut, this becomes quite weak. So keep it square. The second thing is that although you've seen me doing this all in one go, you would do all these cuts here and all those cuts there on each dart as you go along. So you build it up by repeating the cut and adding a cut to a cut and cut until you've got the dart.